Vlogmas day 2. Yes, this Vlogmas day 2. So today I'm going to be sharing with you, okay, just some few things I'll be doing, and I'll be taking you to the market. Yes, my corn porridge, I don't have any in stock, so I'm going to take you to the market, and actually you can take advantage of starting this corn porridge, shredded corn business, which is easy to process, and you start making money, you start cashing out. So guys, let's move out today. So it's going to be fun, and we're going to be having something to do. So guys, let's move to the market. So the market I'll be visiting today is Ojaba, because Ojaba usually have everything. When I say everything, the prices, the foodstuff prices is cheap, and so because of that, I love patronizing Ojaba. Yeah. So guys, let's get to the market fast. Quick, let's go. See you. I'm here to do some document printing. So I've just print out some documents. I need them. So I'm actually going inside the market right now. I'm buying something special. Let's go inside the market. Hello, hey, mo fẹ́ rajà. It's tomato that I want to buy. Tomato tó wọ̀ mí lójú. Hello ni nǹkan tó wọ̀ mí lójú tí mò ń dájà. Mi ló wọ̀ mí lójú. $3,000 jálẹ̀. 3 abelo jálẹ̀. Guys, oh, see this tomato. When they say fresh tomato, this tomato is fresh. When I said I cannot remove my no, I'm not here because of this fresh tomato, and this tomato is going for 3,500 for this bucket. What will I get? Abo, hello, la boy in Congo.
Abo 900, Congo 800.
Congo wa gba 7. So I'm looking for where to buy corn. For one. How much? 5. How many for 5? How much? Maybe 6 to 50. How much?
Guys, the first market I went to was Orita Market, that is Adelabu Market, but I couldn't find corn, and it was expensive there, so I had to get to Ojaba. So this is the shredded one they just sold in the market.
Hello, love father. Nikongo. Jale, sheti shabash. Koso kutane. Ẹ wá gba 3 mà. Hello la gba. White. 900. Hello jalè. 900. Yes, it's only. Kò wá gba 8. 500. Ṣé kóńgà bí abọ́? Abọ́ ni. Ma? Abọ́ ni. Ta kóńgò. Abọ́. Ìyá Faruku.
Adelabu market, they said this corn is that is 900 last. So when I got to Ojaba now, another vendor I met said 900 last, but when I got to this lady, she said 850. Now at least the 15 I go do something for body. So it's advisable when you get to the market, don't stay and buy from the first vendor. Try and move around, maybe 2 or 3 people to confirm the price of corn. It is better to know how to really process anything you're going to lay your hand to do as a business, or if you want to have this at home to eat. So what happened is you can actually get to the market and process this corn yourself, or you can buy the already made one, the one that's been shredded. You can buy it, but most times it is advisable, if you have the time, you can always take the opportunity of doing this yourself, so you see whatever you're eating. And so this is the corn, and the food you use white. Most people use white corn. When you use white corn, in fact, they are clearer, the way it really attract most ones. But it is like the normal yellow corn, it looks somehow in color yellow. So because of that, we use white corn. Now this white, this is the machine to shred and remove that first layer, that nylon-like structure. So after removing it, this is the residue. This is what they remove. So what this man does is he sells this to people that has birds. That is people that has poultry, as feeds. They had it to feed, to make feeds for their birds. So guys, that is how it's being done.
Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. Today's video I'm taking you to the market. I'm going just to be showing you around what I do today. Then I need to get I want to prepare corn porridge, and I need corn, so I'll be taking you to the market to get corn and show you how to make corn, let me say shredded corn for corn porridge or pottage, which English now they use for that. But if you want to start the business of corn porridge, actually this is for you. You can actually take opportunity of going into selling of corn porridge. It's very okay.
You get your shredded corn home, it is advisable you spread it out in the sun. If you're using it for business, that is if you want to repack for business, or you want to cook it, or you want to store it at home, because it can stay for a very long time. It can stay up to 2 years, 3 years, as long it is well preserved. But for you to achieve that, you have to first make sure, because sometimes you still have some of the shaft with it, you make sure you remove the shafts and spread it in the sun. If you notice, when they were trying to shred, the man had excess water. So because of that water, this corn, the way you look at it, is wet. It's because it is wet. If you store it, it's going to get bad. That is the corn. So what you do is make sure you spread it in the sun immediately you get back home. Then if you really want your corn porridge to look whitish, you can remove the yellow corn, because it has some yellow corn inside. You can decide to remove those yellow corn so that it's going to be pure white. And if you're selling, if you're packing it, it's going to be attractive to your customer. So all you just need to do, you get it. Sometimes you can get your pouch if you have money to get pouch, or you can go like this with this nylon. They sell it in the market and you repack. If you're repacking, you can go for 500 grams, 1 kg. Then you make your calculation of how much you get the corn, the grinding, that is the peeling of the corn, and you decide to what, make your profit. Guys, if you don't know how to cook corn porridge, I have the link in my description box. I've done it before. I'm going to post the link in the description box. And the Yoruba people call this Egbo. What do you call this in your dialect? Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.